Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to day 4 of my coding journey. So, this video, we're actually going to do a little bit of coding. The changes that my instructor told me that I should do, I guess I'm going to try to get them done today. So, I'm not going to make this video too long. Like I said, these are just check-ins, but some days, I'll do coding and do some exercises and stuff. Like yesterday, I think I did a few exercises on camera. And yeah, so let me switch that over here. Alright, so the first change we're going to do, I don't know if you guys see my last video. So that's one of them right there, is that. So it's these buttons. He said I should change the blur effect to him. I guess it's too much. I thought like this one has more, but these ones don't really have that much. So, but he said I should bring it down a little bit. So let's start with that, I guess. Let's go to the styling. So I have all my code like organized. So I have like the nav bar styles, got the hero, and just everything is organized, so I can. It was actually an extension that I wanted to download. I saw it on a video. It's called Better Comments, right here, and it just, I guess it makes the comments better looking, but I think I have to like rewrite them or something. But yeah, I don't want to spend too much time on that. But yeah, it's called Better Comments. And oh, there we go. So it's green now. Cool. Let's see if it works. So it didn't work for that, but it worked for. Okay, so yeah, I can see them better, which is cool. Alright, so let's start working on these sections. So the site that I use for my box shadow is CSS generator. So it's a box shadow generator, and so let's play around with this a little bit and see. I don't. So my instructor is a see, that looks great, and that looks like something that I have. Let's just see how that looks. But my instructor is a front end developer, so like everything he says, I like make sure I make those changes. But this is probably the only change right here that I kind of don't agree with, is these buttons. Like, I think that's probably the perfect like blur, like the perfect amount of like effect to it. And he said it's a little too much. I don't know if he was getting a little confused with this one, because this is 100% too much right there. But like these ones are like just perfect. Or am I tripping? Maybe I'm tripping. But let's try this new one here. So the button hover right here. Let's change this to this. Okay. Now you can't even notice it. Oh. See, I mean, it does look a little better, I'm not gonna lie. Or is it the same? Let's see what we had last time. Okay, so we had. Let's compare. Okay, so we had. Okay, so this one is a little bit more. So they are different. So I mean, I'll probably just go with this one, which I think, yeah, it does look a little better, way better. And I think I'm gonna put this exact same one on these ones here. And let's see how that looks. So let's go down to the hero section, button hover, and button hover. Yeah, that looks way better. Yeah, that looks way better. Okay, so that's one thing off the checklist. So let me I actually want to keep a document of everything that changes that I'm making, so I can send over to him. It's quite a bunch of stuff that I'm trying to do today, but I'm not gonna do it all on camera, because like I said, these are just check-ins and change button animation for hero section and nav bar. So, alright. So I just want to make sure. Okay, so that was, and he also said I should change this as well, because just to make it similar to these. And he wants me to space out these a little bit more. They're a little too close together. But let's work on this button first and change this one, which is down here. So change that to box shadow. You can remove that. And I think that's it, right? Maybe we gotta change the color. Okay, so I think we keep the color white. Maybe change the whole button to white, because the whole reason why I had this like outline like this is because I wanted to fill with the color. So now it just looks a little weird like that. I don't like that. So let's change the color, background color to our normal color, and then change the text to alright, that looks better. Let's see how that looks. Alright, and maybe keep this block as well. Alright. Yeah, I think that looks better. The outline has to go, actually. The border, I don't like that border. There we go. Perfect. That looks way better. Alright, so see, but I think the text should change. Like, I mean, not really. I think it looks good like this. Yeah, it looks good. Alright, cool. So there we go. Those are the buttons. Alright, so let's try to see if we can these buttons here has to need some margins on them. But I think if so this is the, let's see what section this is right quick, because I'm about to try something I haven't done yet in this project. So we got the hero button. So this is the container for the hero button. So instead of using the Bootstrap class for that, yeah, I don't have one. Let's put it here. Let's see. So I made this into a flex box already, right? With Bootstrap. So I use Justified Content Center, and instead of using Bootstrap, I'm just gonna use CSS hero btn and give it a gap. Maybe this will work. Of, let's just say 5 pixels. Let's just see if it splits. Okay, so it does split. Alright, so let's do maybe 20 pixels. See if I mess with anything. Alright, so y'all like that. It is split now. Still responsive. Let's see right here. Alright, yeah, that's perfect actually. So right here, this is another issue he said that I should try to fix. Is as you can see when I'm moving like resizing the screen, it's like these buttons are level with this one. So yeah. Alright, so yeah, I think that's good actually. Alright, so we changed the hover effects and we spaced out the button. Space out row section buttons. Alright, okay, so that is a bunch of stuff he said I should change. So another thing is you think I should change, so right here is the color of these here. So I have no clue how to do that, but we can probably figure it out. So I probably should change it, but it looks good on this one, he says. So like, how would I change it on just that slide? And or maybe I could I'm trying to think. So here is the controls right here. So let's take this and take it to CSS and see what we can do with it. Alright, so let's throw it down here. Carousel indicators. Alright, so let's just give it a background color of, let's just do anything and see if it works. Okay, so it works. Perfect. So we got the right thing. But alright, so it's taking up the whole. Let's do display inline block. No, okay, we don't want to do that. So I'm not trying to mess anything up. Alright, so that's not gonna work. Alright, so I wanted to give it maybe like a background color and like a border radius and maybe have like an opacity or something. But actually, hold on. I think I could take each one and do it. I think that would be better. But I'm trying to think. Okay. So let's give this one a class right quick. And we're gonna give it a class of test. And also we're gonna give this a class of test. Just test some stuff out right quick. Alright, so yeah, see, that's not working. So it's definitely that. Wait, did I save it? Okay. So yeah, that's not gonna work. So I do have to target this here. So let's see what we can do with it. It's worth a try. Alright, so maybe you can change the color to like a darker color. Let's change it to like maybe, let's change it to black and see. See this? It's just not working at all. Data target. This is the LI. Okay, so maybe let's do the test again right quick. And now change the color. Maybe I just can't do the background because they're okay, hold on. I think I know what important. Oh. Carousel indicators, is that what it is? Did I spell it right? I don't know if I spelled it right, but yeah, see, it's not working. So I really don't know how to change those colors. So the background color changes like that, but color. Okay, hold on. Test, and then give it a background color like that. No, I still got the test thing in here. So what the hell are these? Like, do I fill them? Maybe fill or something? Background image, maybe? Background image? Or okay, we got it. Whew. Okay. Alright. So let's give these both a test. Not a test, let's give these both a class. Carousel indicators. Wish I had carousel buttons. I don't think. We don't have that class yet. No, let's do carousel toggle, maybe. Carousel toggle equals carousel toggle. Alright. And now let's go over here. Carousel toggle. Alright, so there's the color. So now we just need to find a good color. So the whole reason why I have to put this important tag is because we're using Bootstrap. So like I said, I had to use the important tag on a lot of stuff to override the Bootstrap, the normal Bootstrap. The normal Bootstrap components. Alright, so yeah, I don't like that. So let's go ahead and see like some maybe darker grays. And see how this works. don't think that'll work actually. But let's see, just in case. Oh, what the fuck? I didn't mean to do that. It's the same thing. So yeah, you can't really notice it. You can't really notice it with black. So let's try like a straight white. I think that's what it was before, actually. So yeah, what I was wanting, I wanted to put maybe like a circle around here, like a small circle. But I'm trying to think. Yeah, I don't want to mess with any of the bootstrap components and stuff. Like, I mean, I personally think it looks good like that. So yeah, that's just gonna have to stay like that for now. Yeah, just for now, I guess. So yeah, we did the buttons. They look great. Is it me or is that images? Like going over. Huh? Okay, maybe not, because it's like that on here too. Alright, cool. Let me see how long I've been recording. 22 minutes. Wow. Okay. So maybe like another like few minutes. I'll end it there. Alright, so another thing is this section here. So this section is complete. It's just a few stuff. So right here, the button breaks up and you see my card. So he told me that I should add a card deck to it. So let's see if we can add that and see how it looks. So we got info and card section here. Alright, so we got card 1. So let's just experiment with it. Let's go to the Bootstrap documents right quick. And see. Okay, so components, card. Okay, card deck. So we go. So you add the card deck on top of card. So that's one card. So I'm thinking it goes on top of this. So let's say div dot card dash deck. Alright, so we got this one all the way down. This one. Let's see how that looks. Oh, there we go. Perfect. So we got the resizing good. Let's see. Perfect. Wait. Oh, no. It messed something up. Fuck. Alright. I hate when this happens. I hate when this happens. I really do. But it looks like the resizing is right. But then it's not actually. Look, it's still. So the card deck didn't work actually. See right there when it resizes it. That's weird. Let's see what. Maybe I added it in the wrong space. No, I think I got it right actually. Yeah, I think I got it right. I mean, I think I did. Make sure I'm not removing the wrong div. So many divs. Alright. So yeah, I wonder why that is happening. And then my button breaks right here. So I think my button's a little too wide, he said. So let's see if we can fix that. Car section. Alright, button. I got so much code here, holy crap. Okay. I don't think I'm in the right section. Let's see. Buttons here. Donate, more info. We got okay, it's card link. I was right. Alright, so I got the padding. It's a little too much maybe. Let's try 10. Like that. And maybe bring the text down a little bit. Bring the text down. Actually, let's change the font weight as well. Font weight, I love the 100, but I have to change the font family. Probably shouldn't do this actually because all of my buttons. Oh my god, I am messing up big time, ain't I? That's why it's only day 4. Hopefully by the time day 376, I'll be knowing everything. Or knowing most of it, you know what I'm saying? God. Alright, let's see how that looks. Let's see if that breaks up. So yeah, so that don't break up right there. But maybe bring up, I think I had it on 20, so let's try 15. Let's see if it breaks up like that. Yep, it still breaks up like that. So let's go back to 10. Alright, so we fixed that issue. But I'm not liking that font in that. So let's take off that font. And alright, perfect. Let's go back to that. And let's go ahead and add our animation. Our link hover, and it's not that one. Oh, is it that? Wait. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's this one. Copy. Yeah, dude, I got way too much code. Holy crap. I actually want to try something. Let's just see how it looks. and then text transform uppercase just to see how it looks. Yeah, that's ugly. What about like the padding or something? You know what I'm saying? Padding. Nah, see, that's gonna mess with my button. Let's try it though. Padding. Let's do 10 px and 15 px, so it goes up just a little bit, and then change the setting here to 0.5 seconds. Let's see how that looks. That's cool though. That's cool. It looks cool, but like I can't keep that. But yeah, it looks cool though. Alright, let's just go back to our normal and color white. So yeah, like that. Perfect. Alright. Perfect. Alright, so let's go ahead and add that. So we fix broken buttons and dot section, and then we added hover effects. Alright, cool. Alright, so next, this right here. So since I added this background image, it looks a little weird right here. So let's work on that, which is the header. And what's this right here? Alright, so all we really have to do is maybe change the background color of, let's try white. That looks better. So yeah, instead of having the opacity, that looks way better. Alright, perfect. The only thing is the resizing of this. So let's go back to that right quick and see. Let's add that to this. I know this is probably a little too much to actually write down all the changes. It's just my instructor, he's very involved, and I really like that. So like, I'm gonna present him with all the changes made and stuff. So so you can know these are all the changes, because I'm he has a life too. So I know my project, and he also has a bunch of other projects to look at. So I know my project just not on his mind for 24/7. So he probably already forgot the changes he already requested. So just a reminder of all the stuff that Alright, so we got those buttons, and we got these ones, which looks great. We got that, which looks great now. So yeah, we just going down. So all this is perfect now. Just these keep resizing like the images, and it only happens right there, like right there, and right there. So how do we fix that? Maybe, and just maybe, change the width to a smaller width. Let's try 20 for each one and see. maybe. Now it looks weird, just spaced out like that. Sheesh. Ah, we almost had it. Right there. Why do it do it? Like, why? Stay right there. Don't move. Let me test some stuff out. Don't move. We gotta fix you. It's card 3 actually. It's card 2. I have no idea. That is so weird. Maybe it's my image. My images? Huh. Let me try something right quick, and then I want to end the video. This video is a little too long. Like I said, like, I don't intend these to be like, you know, videos and long videos, tutorials or anything. This is mainly for myself, and if, you know, just to inspire other people, because I'm gonna grind really hard to land my first position into tech. And I have been off camera really working really hard this last year, and I'm actually like amazed at a lot of stuff like that I know, and it's like it's all coming together. So but yeah, I joined the boot camp because the fundamentals I know, like JavaScript, HTML, CSS. As you can see, like, I know the fundamentals, but React and all like the technical, when it gets in the back end and stuff, that, you know, that's where I really struggle at. So, you know, I joined the bootcamp to try to figure it out and, you know, get some help. So, alright, so let's try something here. So there's a Bootstrap class called, I don't think this is gonna work though. Image fluid? I definitely don't think that's gonna work. That's not gonna work. But it's like, I think it's like deep block as well. And then W100. No, that don't work. Alright. There. So maybe I should get these like some more spacing with some more spacing with. See, I don't think that's gonna work, but let's see. Here's the whole card class. That's the column. So let's see something. Let's see, margin left and right. What's that? X, right? So MX dash. Let's just say 3 LG. No? Did I do it right? Or is it MX dash LG3? Okay, so yeah, it is that. But that's not gonna work. So yeah, I really have no idea. So he did say in a video that this could just be due to like just resizing, because all my breakpoint look good. Like, that's extra small, that is small, go here, this is medium, and then this is large. But right there, Let's try this. How long I've been recording? Let's try this card. Dang, 40 minutes? Sheesh. Alright, let's try the card, the card deck again. Let's see. Let's read up on this right quick. So we got the card deck. So maybe I should put the card deck over top of the row. You know what I'm saying? Instead of inside the row. I don't think that makes sense. Let's see if that works. Because it kind of do make sense a little bit. Card deck. Just to be sure. Oh. What am I doing? Let's see. Oh. Oh. So hot. I think that happened last time, but I got happy. See, it's still resized, like the image. I don't know why. And then we got that right there. So I think to fix that, we would just have to maybe make this into a flex box, maybe? Deflex. Align item center. Justify content between, maybe? See if that works. Nope. Huh. That is so weird. And it's still resizing, so it's like no point of even having this card deck. So let's erase this. But yeah, that's the struggles of being. What am I doing? Whew, scared me for a second. So that's the struggles of being a developer. Is a lot of problem solving. I eventually I'm gonna get it. It's just this video is gonna be probably like 4 hours long. So yeah, and that's one thing about me, man, is I've watched a lot of creators, and what they'll do is like they'll be like, yeah, we're creating a site. So, you know, they're creating a site, and I see them looking on the other side, just copying the code. You know what I'm saying? And I don't really like those creators. There are some that do basically just straight raw content and just figure it out on camera, and those are the ones that I really like. Sorry, my camera cut off. But those are the ones that I really like is the ones that it's just straight raw, man. And some of them, they go on live and they work on sites, and it's just like, it's amazing when they're searching up Stack Overflow and having to figure out like the problems and stuff. It's just like I just like that better than, you know, have people, yeah, we're creating a site today, and just copying just every code, you know, like copying all the code that they already wrote yesterday just to create a site. I just don't like that. So yeah, that's kind of how I'm just gonna do all my stuff. It's just like we learn together. You get what I'm saying? So if I don't get it, if I don't get something, it's not that I'm giving up on it. It's just it's gonna take me about 4 hours to figure out. So I don't want to make this video too long, but I am going to figure it out. And hopefully I do, because I mean, it could just be maybe it's the images, because look, it's like they don't do it all the time. So like, check this one out right here. So like, watch this. So it don't do it right there. It don't do it there either. See, look, now I did it. It's like, I think it's just maybe just the images. Like, it's something with the images, definitely. Because like, or maybe it's just like just a bug, or I really don't know, because it's like it does it sometimes. So yeah, but we'll figure it out. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Peace out.